Passive income models are attracting increasing attention in 2026, as more people seek financial stability and flexibility outside of traditional employment. The rise of digital platforms, automation, and AI tools has made it easier than ever to generate income streams that require minimal ongoing effort. When evaluating which passive income models are worth pursuing, several key criteria come into play. These include the potential for consistent returns, the level of risk involved, the amount of initial investment required, and the time needed for setup and maintenance. Additionally, diversification across multiple income sources is often recommended to help mitigate risks and enhance overall earning potential. Understanding these factors can guide individuals toward the most promising passive income opportunities for the year ahead. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is a popular strategy for generating passive income. By purchasing shares in companies that regularly distribute dividends, investors receive a steady stream of payments, often on a quarterly basis. Exchange-traded funds such as the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, known as VYM, and the Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF, or VIG, offer diversified exposure to a wide range of dividend-paying companies. These funds not only provide consistent income, but also the potential for long-term capital appreciation as the value of the underlying stocks grows. With VYM and VIG showing modest price increases recently, they remain attractive options for those seeking both income and growth. This approach allows investors to benefit from the stability of established companies while building wealth over time. Real estate crowdfunding has emerged as a popular passive income model, making property investment more accessible than ever before. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul enable individuals to pool their resources and invest in large-scale real estate projects, such as commercial buildings or residential developments. This approach significantly lowers the entry barriers, allowing participation with much smaller amounts of capital compared to traditional real estate investing. Investors can earn a share of rental income or benefit from property appreciation, all without the need to manage properties directly. By democratizing access to real estate, these platforms offer a convenient way to diversify an investment portfolio and tap into the potential of the property market. Automated investing through robo-advisors has transformed the way individuals manage their portfolios. Platforms such as Betterment and Wealthfront utilize sophisticated algorithms to create, monitor, and rebalance investment portfolios tailored to each user's goals and risk tolerance. This hands-off approach appeals to both novice and experienced investors, offering convenience and cost efficiency. By 2026, assets managed by robo-advisors are projected to exceed $2 trillion, reflecting their growing popularity. The integration of automation and data-driven strategies allows for continuous optimization, tax efficiency, and diversification. As technology advances, robo-advisors are expected to play an even larger role in democratizing access to professional investment management. Affiliate marketing continues to be a popular passive income strategy, especially with advancements in content creation and AI technology. By promoting products or services through blogs, videos, or social media, individuals can earn commissions on sales generated from their referrals. The integration of AI tools has made this process more scalable and efficient, automating tasks such as content generation, audience targeting, and performance tracking. This allows marketers to reach wider audiences with less manual effort. As a result, affiliate marketing offers a flexible way to generate ongoing income, even for those with limited technical expertise. With the right approach and tools, it's possible to build a sustainable stream of passive earnings in 2026. Digital products and online courses offer a compelling way to generate passive income with relatively low ongoing effort. By creating ebooks, templates, or instructional courses, individuals can share their expertise and monetize their knowledge. Platforms such as Gumroad and Teachable make it easy to distribute these products to a global audience, handling payments and delivery seamlessly. Once the initial content is produced and published, creators can earn revenue repeatedly as new customers discover and purchase their offerings. This model is particularly attractive because it requires minimal maintenance after launch, allowing for a scalable and sustainable income stream. As demand for online learning and digital resources continues to grow, these opportunities remain relevant and accessible for a wide range of creators. Peer-to-peer lending has emerged as a popular passive income model, allowing individuals to lend money directly to borrowers through online platforms. By connecting lenders with individuals or small businesses seeking funds, these platforms facilitate the earning of interest on loans without the involvement of traditional banks. To mitigate risk, investors often diversify their lending across multiple borrowers, reducing the impact of potential defaults. Many platforms also offer tools for assessing borrower creditworthiness and setting lending criteria. As the industry evolves, features such as automated portfolio management and enhanced security measures continue to improve the experience for lenders. Overall, peer-to-peer lending offers a flexible way to generate passive income, provided investors carefully evaluate risks and diversify their investments. Print-on-demand services have revolutionized how creators launch custom merchandise. By designing unique products such as t-shirts, mugs, or posters, individuals can leverage platforms like Printful and Redbubble to manage production and shipping logistics. This approach eliminates the need for inventory management, reducing upfront costs and operational headaches. Creators are able to concentrate on marketing and growing their brand, while the platforms handle order fulfillment and delivery. As a result, print-on-demand offers a scalable and low-risk way to generate passive income, making it an attractive option for entrepreneurs and artists alike. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, offer a practical way to invest in real estate without the complexities of direct property ownership. By purchasing shares in a REIT, investors gain exposure to a diversified portfolio of properties, which may include commercial buildings, residential complexes, or industrial spaces. REITs generate income primarily through rent collected from these properties, and this income is distributed to shareholders as dividends. One of the key advantages of REITs is their liquidity, allowing investors to buy and sell shares on public exchanges much like stocks. This makes it easier to access real estate markets and adjust investments as needed. Additionally, REITs provide an opportunity for regular income and potential capital appreciation, making them an attractive option for those seeking passive income in 2026. Automated dropshipping is transforming the way entrepreneurs approach e-commerce. By establishing online stores that automate product sourcing and order fulfillment, business owners can significantly reduce manual workload and operational complexity. The integration of AI tools further streamlines inventory management, ensuring that stock levels are optimized and replenished as needed. Advanced customer service solutions powered by artificial intelligence can handle inquiries and support requests efficiently, improving the overall shopping experience. This model allows for scalable growth with minimal hands-on involvement, making it an attractive passive income option for 2026. As technology continues to evolve, automated dropshipping is expected to become even more accessible and efficient. AI-powered content creation is transforming the landscape of passive income opportunities. By leveraging artificial intelligence, individuals and businesses can automate the production of blogs, videos, and social media posts, ensuring a consistent flow of fresh content. This approach reduces the time and effort required for manual creation, allowing creators to focus on strategy and growth. Advanced AI tools can generate high-quality text, images, and even video scripts, making it easier to maintain an active online presence. As a result, monetization through advertising, affiliate marketing, or sponsored posts becomes more attainable. The scalability and efficiency offered by AI-driven content creation make it a compelling option for those seeking to build sustainable passive income streams in 2026. In 2026, passive income strategies in crypto and digital assets are evolving rapidly, offering new opportunities for investors. Staking has become increasingly popular, allowing individuals to earn rewards by holding and validating transactions on blockchain networks. Digital asset investing, which includes cryptocurrencies and tokenized assets, provides exposure to a diverse range of financial instruments beyond traditional stocks. The integration of AI tools is also transforming the landscape, automating portfolio management and optimizing returns with advanced algorithms. These innovations are making passive income more accessible and efficient, while also introducing new considerations for risk and security. As the market matures, staying informed about emerging trends and technologies is essential for those looking to capitalize on these digital opportunities. When selecting a passive income model, it's important to evaluate several key factors. Risk tolerance plays a significant role, as some options, like dividend stocks or peer-to-peer lending, may fluctuate in value or carry the potential for loss. The amount of initial investment required can vary widely, with models such as real estate crowdfunding or automated dropshipping often demanding more upfront capital than digital products or affiliate marketing. Time commitment is another crucial consideration. While some strategies require ongoing attention, others can be largely automated. Diversifying across multiple passive income streams can help mitigate risks and enhance overall financial stability. By carefully weighing these elements, individuals can choose models that best align with their personal goals and resources. In summary, 2026 offers a diverse range of passive income models that cater to different interests and investment capacities. Dividend stock investing and real estate crowdfunding remain reliable options for those seeking steady returns, while automated investing through robo-advisors continues to gain popularity due to its convenience and efficiency. Digital products, affiliate marketing, and print-on-demand services provide accessible opportunities for creative entrepreneurs. Emerging strategies such as AI-powered content creation and automated dropshipping highlight the growing role of technology in generating passive income. To get started, it's important to assess your risk tolerance, available capital, and the time you can dedicate to setup and maintenance. Diversifying across several models can help balance risk and maximize income potential in the evolving landscape of passive income.